Yes, even if it's course. You know what? I can help you with that. Just watch, listen, and learn.
University for Humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. A comprehensive university that caters to the needs of society in the fields of technology, engineering, architecture and sciences, arts and letters, culture, recreation and sports, agriculture, forestry and fisheries, education, social sciences, health and medicine, and business and entrepreneurship.
Saan po tayo? We are now in Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, or what we call BUCBET. The BUCBET demonstrates a high degree of knowledge and mastery in business, economics, and management,
as well as contributing to the regional and national development for societal transformation. College of Business Economics and Management offers 4-degree programs, namely PS in Accountancy, PS in Economics, PS in Entrepreneurship, BSBA Major in Financial Management, BSBA Major in Human Resource Management, PS in Management, BSBA Major in Marketing Management, BSBA Microfinance, and BSBA Major in Operations Management.
Now, I will talk to you about my course and my how to decide what will you take in college. So, the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship is a 4-year degree program that focuses on how to start and manage a business by combining management, accounting, finance, and marketing principles. Ang mga kagandahan ng course na ito ay pagtungtong mo ng 4th year, you will implement the business that you and your group mates planned. Habang nag-aaral ka, kumikita ka.
Can I ask you something?
Sure,
Why did you choose the BS Entrepreneurship program?
I choose this course because as an entrepreneur, I can contribute to the development of our economy and improvement of our society. I want to solve the societal problems and turn this into a business where people can benefit from it and improve their living. Also, I enrolled in this program in order to contribute to innovation that will lead the way into new businesses, markets, goods, and technologies. Hey Leslie, I have a friend here. She wants to ask why we chose the PS Entrepreneurship program.
Oh, hi!
Hello po!
Well, I chose to study this program seeing the existing products and service that have been sold yet. Also, I want to create job opportunities to reduce the rate of unemployment in our country.
How about the experiences? How is it?
Studying this program made me realize that it's not just about exploring an idea to determine if it succeeds. It's about developing with each experience and learning how to build businesses. I also learned that it's not just about fulfillment and success. Being a student entrepreneur should learn how to accept and manage failures and stress because that's part of being a successful entrepreneur.
I realized that entrepreneurs have a significant role to play in our society. They have a lot of help, such as giving satisfaction to the consumer, creating job opportunities, and improving our living.
Oh wow, that's so nice. Anyway, I have a last question for you guys. What is your goal as an entrepreneur and a student?
So launch my first product and service with new innovations and to serve people with quality service that make them satisfied and improve their living.
To solve different problems in our society and turn into business and to give job opportunities.
You know, it's really fun to be in this program. Whenever there's an event here on our campus, like Foundation Day, Valentine's Day, and more. Student entrepreneurs are invited to promote and sell their products and opportunities to earn money and showcase their skills and talents.
Yes, I hope we help you in deciding on what course you will take.
Oh yes, thank you so much. You guys help me a lot. I'll take note of what you shared with me. But for now, I need to go back to my store to serve people and do what entrepreneurs do. See you around.
So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and be one of us!